how to reset the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphone. So first, what you want to do is locate this button right here and the volume button. So I'm just gonna switch it off for now. Now here on the side there is a volume down button. Okay, so you press on the down button and this button together at the same time for 10 seconds. So press and hold. So let's do it now together. So press and hold on both buttons. So press on both buttons. So hold down the power button and volume down button for 10 seconds. When the fuel gauge flashes, release the buttons. So you can see here, after 10 seconds, the light starts to flashes. So your headphones are now reset and ready to be set up with your devices again. Now if I go to my iPhone, you can see once this is reset, all I have to do is unlock my iPhone and my iPhone will automatically detect the Beats Studio wireless headphone. And that is how you can reset it. It's very easy. Just press on the down button here, press and hold on the down button and the power button for 10 seconds. And that's it. That is how you can reset it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.